Today we're going to do a video of how to remove the thermostat from a 2015 Chevy Sonic. Alright, so what we're going to do first is disconnect the negative terminal. There it is, disconnected. I already went ahead and did this, but I'm going to just give you a quick demonstration of how I got this done. There's two 10mm bolts that we're going to remove from this tank. And disconnect this hose here, just set this up on top. Bring this tank over like so. Just set it there. Next thing, we're going to disconnect these connectors here and undo the four 10mm bolts or nuts that are on there. And we'll get this out of the way. That way we have a little bit of more access. And we'll just set this up on top. Push these cables underneath. Just like so. This one down here. Alright, we have various pigtails we gotta disconnect. This one here for the oxygen sensor, set that to the side. And this has a little release switch down here. Just release that. And release these from here, all of these from here. And move this to the side. We're gonna remove this bracket from here. This is 10mm nut. And then we'll put that to the side. We're going to do this sensor, undo this sensor, undo these two sensors back here. We're going to remove this hose from here by pressing here, and it should unclamp it and then remove it to the side. Next step we're going to do is, now that we have a lot more access, is get these hoses out of the way. So let's go ahead and remove those from there. Make sure you do have a pan to catch all this coolant underneath. I do. So it's catching all that coolant. Now what we're going to do is remove the four bolts that are here holding this together. And that's pretty much where I'm at. So let's go ahead and remove those. These are going to be 5/16 socket. So I'll go ahead and remove these. And I forgot to mention, let's remove this hose as well. Alright, after you have all four screws removed and put in a nice safe location, there is still one more hose underneath. Let's see, I believe there is. Try to get this off. We have two bolts holding on, looks like, to the return here. So let's go ahead and remove these two bolts from there. Alright, and once you remove both screws, just go ahead and set those in a nice safe location. And the pipe drops. And here comes the housing. Sweet. And that is how we remove the thermostat housing on this 2015 Chevy Sonic. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.